Hey, it's Hunter, your craft doctor, and in this video, we're going to be unpackaging some Copics that I bought. So, I spent my Christmas money, and of course I spent it on the love of my life, Copic markers, and I got a lot of ideas from these colors from this book I got. It is called Draw in Color, The Bailey J Way. It is a fantastic book. Bailey J is a YouTuber here on YouTube. I'm sure you've heard of her if you watch art videos often. She's very extremely talented, and this book, I don't want to like flip through or anything, but it shows some suggestion for Copic colors. This is just the front of the back. Like on this page in the book, it'll tell you what all these colors are in Copic marker terms, which is fantastic, and it's exactly what I wanted from a book. So here it is. It is available right now on sale. I got my copy from Amazon. It's actually really inexpensive for a drawn color book, and it is super helpful if you're starting out or if you are already very well capable of using Copic markers, or just anything. It covers more than just Copics. It has watercolor, acrylic, and just really anything. It is amazing. So enough on that. I will get to the Copic markers. So on my little hand sticky notes, I wrote down some colors that I wanted, and I basically got these. So I got 3 packages from scrapbookpal.com. Their ink refills were on sale for $4.55, and if you spend $25, you get free shipping, which is phenomenal. So we'll be opening 3 packages. I haven't looked in them. All I've done is cut open the seal. So we're just going to pull them out, and then we'll test them on paper once we get everything pulled out. So here we go. Let's just take a peek in it, and oh my goodness, if that isn't the most beautiful thing, I don't know what is. So let's start. Let's just go in, grab the ink refills first. So, as I said, they were on sale, so of course I got some that I knew would be useful. So this is BG11 Moon White, which I use very often. It is my go-to mint green color. And then B01, and of course I'm always using my blues, so I went ahead and bought B01. Oh, and there's another ink refill in here, which is G40. Now, I've had G40 since I got my first Copics, and it's finally time that I got an ink refill for it because it is one of my go-to green colors. So let's grab the beautiful markers. Let's go with this pack first. Here is Scrapbook Pal's little card that they put in every little bag that you see. And so let's open up the little baggie and grab the markers out. So here are the first 3, which is YR30 Macadamia-Nut, B04, I'm not pronouncing that T word, blue, and then B06 Peacock Blue. So there are those. We are going to test all of these once again. We're just going to get them all laid out, and then we'll do a giant testing. Here's a much larger bag. Once again, they're scrapbookpal.com's card, non-sponsored, by the way. Here they are, the colors. Let's go ahead and grab them. Get that tape off of there. Alright. Now the markers. Oh, that's just the greatest feeling ever. Okay. YG01 Green Beige. That's a very interesting name. I like it. And that color looks like it's going to be very interesting. I'm excited. BV02 Maroon. B16 Cyanine Blue, I think I said that right, and a YG03 Yellow Green, as well as BV00 Mauve Shadow. I'm sorry if I'm totally butchering these names. Here they are. Set them along with what we have. So that is the first package, and that was the largest because this is actually 2 orders in one little package. So that's why there's so many in that one. Now we're going to go on to package number 2. Take a peek in there. See some really pretty green looking colors. Okay, so let's just grab, that's all that's in here. So So we have another ink refill. This is N2. Now this is one that I actually extremely needed because I was working with my grays, and I always go to N2 as like a base color or just shadows in anything, and it completely dried up on me, so I definitely needed N2. Let's put that with other refills, and now let's go to the markers that I got. So here they are in their package. Let's go ahead and take this tape off. Sorry for the loud noise. There it is. More little pieces of tape. I don't know if that's an ASMR thing right there. If it is, you're welcome. Okay, here are these markers. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, so we have BG34 Horizon Green, G02 Spectrum Green, BG90 Gray Sky, and E71 Champagne. These are beautiful. These two colors right here look very similar to each other. I really hope they aren't. But I'm sure since it's blue and green that they will be close. But these are really pretty colors. Especially I'm drawn to these two right here. So we'll try them. So let's put them with our other ones. And for the last package, we'll go ahead and grab it. Here it is. Let's take another peek. And these look like to be the darker colors that I own. Oh, and what's this? Oh, so if you get on certain times, Scrapbook Pal will give you a free gift, and this is just a clear stamp. It is a wood stamp. You can see, turn it this way also. And you just add it to your cart once you check out. Of course, you can only add it one time, only one order, and it's just really nice that they send a free gift every once in a while. So I did add it because I looked really good and I like the wood texture. So here it is, that over here. And the last little bag of my glorious Copic markers that I ordered. See, one ink refill in there. So as I said, these are darker colors because I do have trouble when buying darker colors. I typically go for a lighter color because I like vibrant colors, but dark colors and, excuse me, for shadows and stuff are really, really nice. So I did order just this pack of darker colors. There's the card once again, and set that over there. Alright, let's go the ink refill first. So we have G00 Jade Green, and I also use this color a whole lot, especially when drawing succulents. You can see my How to Draw Succulents video. I'll have that link down below. But I used it a lot, so it was time to get an ink refill for it also. Let's put that with the other refills. Okay, and now for the last four colors. Here they are. It is E77 Maroon, E57 Light Walnut, E35 the C word, and E31 Brick Beige. And sorry if my voice sounds weird. It's really cold where we are, and I seem to be a little stuffy. So that is the last four colors of my Scrapbook Pal / Copic haul. I am extremely excited about all of these, so let's get to testing them. Okay, so let's get testing. So I put them kind of in an order, and we'll go with BG90 Gray Sky first. So here it is. So it looks to be green on the nib. So let's go ahead and just lay it down up here. And it is a very green type of warm gray color. I'll zoom over all of these colors so you can get a much better look of what they look like. It's so faint that my camera struggles to pick it up just a little bit. Let's move you here. So that was BG90. Let's go with, I've been really excited to get this color YR30 Macadamia-Nut for a long time, and I don't really know why. I watched a video where someone used it, and I just knew I'd love the color. So here's what it looks like on the nib. So let's go ahead and lay it down. It is a very, very light shade, and it looks perfect for skin tones, and I know that we're going to be best friends. So once again, camera's struggling to pick it up because they are so faint. There it goes. So here it is, laid down on paper. Let's move on. I'll write the names above all of these so you can get a better look. Here is YG01 Green Bice. I'm really excited about this color, and it looks very different between nib and cap. Let's see how it looks on page. Wow, that's beautiful. That's such a gorgeous color. I hope you guys can see that really good. That is so beautiful. It's very vibrant and almost fluorescent. It's dry. It looks a lot drier now. It isn't as fluorescent, but it's so beautiful. I love it. Camera once again struggling to pick it up. It'll get there though. There it goes. Beautiful color. Okay, and one of its neighbors, YG03, which is the yellow green. So here we go. Oh, once again, a very pretty color. I'm interested to see these two blend out together. We'll have to try that since they're close. Okay, now moving on to the BG34 Horizon Green that I bought. Here we go. Oh, beautiful color. It does look very similar to my BG13, which is mint green, so we'll have to put those side by side to check. Moving right along to G02 Spectrum Green. So this is, oh, it's a very, very nice plain green. And it looks like it will blend very well with my other green colors, which is G03 and G05. Looks perfect. I think that's the exact color that I wanted for them. Okay, now moving on to the blues. So we have B16, which is cyanine blue. All right, here it goes. We'll go right here. Wait, oh, that's a beautiful color. Exactly what I expected from B16. These color groups right in here, B12 is my favorite Copic marker color, so I'm really excited to blend with it with my B12. Here they are. Now let's go to B06, which is Peacock Blue. Ooh, very similar. Except it's, no, it's much darker. And it doesn't go along with the family. It's much more saturated. Looks fantastic. Beautiful color, beautiful color. Okay, now let's see the B04. Let's go ahead with it. Oh yes, a perfect middle. Okay, that'll look gorgeous with the blues that I own, and I'll show you the spectrum. Let's see. Now let's go to BV00. I'm really excited about this color because it's great for shadows and stuff, and well, it's as implied in the name, I assume. And so here we'll go with BV00. Let's go right under. Oh yes, beautiful color. Very, very light, as assumed. Beautiful, very pretty. And then BV02, I bought this color to kind of make a gradient with this color. Oh, and it looks gorgeous. Yes, that'll look great together. So then we'll go into our darker colors, which we'll start with E35. Oh, that's a very pretty color. Oh, in the paper, if you all are wondering, I'm just using regular cardstock from Walmart. I think it's around 60 to 100 pounds. I can't remember, but it does show colors very nice. So here is E31, Brick Beige. Gorgeous. Perfect. I got these colors also for skin tones, which I think will look great because I don't have a lot of dark skin tones, and I've been wanting to use dark skin tones, but I just don't have them. And so finally I do, and I'm super excited about it. So let's keep going. We'll go with E57 Light Walnut next. Lay it right here. There's E57 Light Walnut. Gorgeous color. Then we'll go E71 Champagne. I'm really excited about this color. Oh yes, beautiful. I have E70, which is a very E70, of course it'll be just a little lighter than this color, and I use it all the time. So this color is perfect because I do have a need for a darker color than E70, so perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. And then last but not least, the E77 Maroon. So here it is. Very pretty, very dark, but rich in brown. Beautiful. Okay, I'll write the names on all of these and then let you, or zoom over top so you can see the colors and take a screenshot of the video if you want to. here they are, all the colors. Feel free to take a little screenshot if you want to of the screen or of the video right now. I'll hold it very still for just a second. These colors are gorgeous and I'm super excited to use them and blend with them. I'll experiment real quick with some of the blending between these, and then I'll show you a quick overview of what they look like. I'm super excited, so I'll be right back. So I've tested the colors out. So we're going to start with YG01 and YG03. This is the trio, or how they blended together. And that's these two colors right here. How they blended, and they are really beautiful. This YG01 is very bright and vibrant, and it's gorgeous. And then we have the BV00 against the BV02, which is also beautiful and makes a very nice gradient. So let's go on here. So I got the greens that I owned and put in my G02, which is the new color with my greens, and I did 2 gradients just to make sure I did it right, and they are gorgeous, and that G02 just completes the gap between the G03 and the G00, which I love, and it makes a really nice green effect. And then I used my YG01 and 03 with my already owned YG06 and YG09, and they just don't go with that colors. But then again, some of the blues don't go with some of the higher numbered blues. So let's move on down. We'll go here first. Here I thought we had some dupes with the BV00 and the V20, but as you can see, definitely not a dupe. And once again, I thought again with the BG34 and the BG13, I thought we had a dupe, but once again, no, they're actually different. So the V20 is a lot brighter than the BV00, which surprised me a little bit because I would have assumed that this would be lighter, but it wasn't. As well as this one, I would assume that this would be darker than BG13, but it's not. But still, they're all really pretty colors, and I'm super happy that they're not dupes. So let's go on to our brown. So we added, from my original trio, it was E70, E74, and E79, which comes in a blending trio, and I'll have a video on that soon. But then I added E71 and E77, which is the maroon, and it makes a gorgeous trio, and I love these colors of brown. They're so beautiful. Let's move on down to the these colors, which is E35, E33, and E31, which is more of like a darker skin tone color. And I had E33, but I needed stuff to blend with it, and this is a beautiful trio to blend with, and I'm super excited about it. All right, now let's go to the blues. So here are the blues now. I completed this blue and these gradients, and I'm super excited because I love this gradient that you can make with these blues. I love the color. They're just gorgeous. Now you can further blend this B000 out with the Copic colorless blender, but I didn't. And so here it is, added with the B04 and B06 that I bought, and it's just super amazing. And so here is my favorite color, B12. Against B14 and the new B16 along with B18. So these 3 were a trio, and I just added this 16 in, which it is gorgeous and looks great in there. So here are all my colors, all 16 of them. I'm really excited about all these new colors. I'm so excited for them. I'm really excited for future videos to be shown with them. So I got 16 new colors and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ink refills. And then plus the free gift that Scrapbook Pal is so generous to send. So here it is. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's non-sponsored once again, but Scrapbook Pal is an amazing website if you want to get Copics for cheap, but they're amazing. And thanks for watching this video if you made it all the way through. I hope this helped. The camera does pick up these colors really well as to what they look like in real life. So I'm really excited. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.